Hi, I'm David Siff from Intel's Corporate Dems Group, and I'm here on stage at Intel Developers Forum in Beijing. This is an example of a collaboration between Intel and Craft to create an immersive and interactive shopping experience. And usually it starts with the consumer going to the Craft website and creating a shopping list, maybe some recipe suggestions there with the Craft items. But still, as consumers go to the store, they may still not know exactly what they're going to want to have for dinner that night. But this display actually can help with that. So let's go over to it. And as we go to the sign, it'll greet us. And what's asking for is for me to scan my QR code that's been passed to my phone that has a link to all the shopping lists I've created on the Craft site. And it's asking if I want to pass that to the sign. And what's going to use that information to create personalized recipes here that might be of interest to me. For instance, as I scroll through it, I'll see some interesting examples, but this one catches my eye, which is a striped delight. I'm going to go ahead and add that, and it's going to send it out to the internet to my phone. And it's also going to give me an opportunity to purchase, or actually try out one of the ingredients here, which is the Oreo cookie. So I see it dispenses a free sample I could try out. Another thing that the Craft does is they want to bring more traffic back to them on the website as well back to the store display. And what they're doing is something called retail entertainment. So what's going to do is actually create a bobblehead. With the cameras there on top of the screen, it's going to take a picture of me. In 3, 2. So now I'm a bobblehead that it will send off to the Craft website so I can get that later and share it with friends. So it's a great post-shopping experience, and that will drive traffic to the website, and retailers really love that. Another thing to look at is the Intel technology behind all this. And it's embedded Core i7, but it's also using something called Audience Impressions Metrics, or AIM Suite. And part of that is using those cameras again to detect the gender of the people that come view the sign, and also what their approximate age range is, and record that, as well as what the most popular items are of those that view the sign. They can use this, of course, to help stock the shelves at the end of the month so that they can have the best items over there, as well as run promotions at specific times. Another thing, too, as the Intel technology is something called active management technology, which allows the administrators to be able to remotely diagnose any troubles that may be happening on the store display and fix them without having to send technicians out. And also they have the ability to turn off the power at night to save power. So this is the solution from Craft and Intel.